Mayor, kung sakaling maupo ka na, ano ang unang-una mong ibabalik o gagawin o ayusin uli sa Manila?
Manila. Paliliguan ko ulit.
Yes!
Bibihisin ulit.
Tayong basura namin.
Mga dugyot talaga ulit kami. Naawa naman talaga. Dugyot? Luminis na
Sa Divisoria ro, ang hirap naman ng daanan.
Kaya nga kanina yung sagot ko sa iyo, di ba, yung remember sa you just go around.
Nakita mo na, yes.
Why would you not hit the call? Bakit hindi mo titinggin yung
Yung
panawagan? You owe it to the people. I owe it to the people. Basta yun ang unang lilinisin natin ulit. Tapos yung mga tulongges, pahinga na kayo ulit. Nakita nyo naman yan, di ba? Kriminal, tulongges, dugyot, discipline. We'll try to bring back the government 24 hours again. Remember before, modesty aside, sa Maynila may gobyerno 24 oras.
Na-witness kayo, Mayor.
I'm happy that you
Yeah.
appreciate.
4 o'clock na.
Mayor, kamusta man? Ano po yung mga proyektong balak pong gawin? Kung sakaling pala rin po kayong ipagkalooban po.
Itutuloy natin yung housing katulad ng Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Condominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence. These are in-city vertical housing program. Tutuloy pa rin natin yung ating mga eskwelahan katulad ng Albert Elementary School, Rosauro Almario Elementary School, Ramon Magsaysay High School, Manila Science High School. These are 10-story fully air-conditioned public school.
Okay.
And we will continue to modify and reach as many as we can with regard to our healthcare system sa health center at yung bagong tinayo natin na hospital ng Maynila. Wherein we have CT scan machine and MRI machine and so on and so forth. And at the same manner, Chichi has this idea to create livelihood in the city of Manila, particularly sa mga nanay. So I'll support the idea of our Vice Mayor, Chia Atienza, to really support our mothers in the city who wanted to make an extra income, added income in the city of Manila. So MBN. So we'll focus on MBN, minimum basic needs. Housing, healthcare, education, and jobs. Yun lang. Kung ano yung ginawa natin nung una, tutuloy lang yan.